Good morning, children. Welcome to today's virtual session of 8th Standard Geography. Let us begin today's session with a quote. Children, life is 10% of what happens to you and 90% of how you react to it. When an unpleasant incident occurs in our life, it is up to us how long we choose to grieve about it. Stronger is the man who feels the pain but decides to get up and move on. Life has much nicer gifts to offer in return of the losses you suffer. If you keep sitting and refuse to let go, how would you get those gifts just meant for you? So take your time to heal and move on. Never stay down and relive the bad memories, as they would just hold you back and not let you move forward. Children, yesterday I introduced the topic local time and standard time. In this topic, still now you have come to know about the measurement of time, and also you have got an idea about local time. About the measurement of time, you have come to know that in olden days the natural events of sunrise and sunset and the instruments like ghatika patra, sand timer, etc. were used to measure the time. Then I have discussed about the rotation of earth. Children, you know that earth rotates around its own axis and it requires 24 hours to rotate around its own axis. The earth takes nearly 24 hours to complete one rotation. One rotation means 360 degree. The earth takes 4 minutes to rotate by 1 degree around its axis. So children, if the earth takes nearly 24 hours to cover 360 degree, then 4 minutes it is necessary to rotate around 1 degree rotate 1 degree around its axis. During the rotation of the earth, the 180 longitudes in the west face the sun gradually, while those 180 longitudes in the east face the darkness. Children, also you have come to know, as the direction of the rotation of the earth is from west to east, we experience the apparent movement of sun from east to west. And due to the rotation of the earth, the length and the direction of shadows change. And I have discussed yesterday that in the early morning and evening we experience long shadows falling in west and east respectively, and we experience the shortest shadows in the noon. Children, about local time, you have come to know that the time at a particular place with reference to the overhead position of the sun in the sky is considered as the local time of that place. Children, during the rotation of the earth, when a particular longitude comes exactly in front of the sun, it is considered as noon time on that longitude. This noon time is considered as local time of that longitude. From the North Pole to the South Pole, the noon time and so the local time is the same at any given longitude across the earth. So children, total number of longitudes, that is 360, and in 24 hours earth rotates around its own axis, means it rotates around 360 degree. That's why each and one longitude face the sun daily. Children, also you have come to know about the longitudinal extent and the use of local time. Yesterday also I told you the measurement of the time on the poles and the longitudes and the local time. Now today I will discuss the next part of the topic, that is standard time. So it is necessary to open your geography textbook. You should open page number 5 and you should listen to me carefully. Children, again I am reminding you that latitudes and the concept of latitudes and longitudes should be very much clear to you. Latitudes or the lines of parallel, mainly they are the imaginary horizontal lines on earth, and longitudes or the meridians, they are the imaginary vertical lines on earth, and all these lines are very necessary to locate a place on earth. Now I am going to discuss about standard time. Children, both Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but on different longitudes. Their local times differ by 1 hour. If there are different local times within a country because of longitudinal differences, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activities in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally, the local time at the longitude, which generally passes through the middle of the country, is deemed to be the standard time for that country. This standard time is used all over the country. With respect to businesses at global level, there should be compatibility between the standard times of various countries. To facilitate this, the world has been divided into 24 time zones. These time zones has been created with reference to the prime meridian itself. Normally, if the difference between the longitudinal extent of the country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered for the country. But if the longitudinal extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough. In such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. So children, about standard time, what you have come to know, that the local time at the longitude passing through the middle of a country is generally considered as the standard time of that country. If the difference between the local time at the extreme west and east longitude passing through a country is less than 1 or 2 hours, only one standard time is considered in a country. And if the difference between the local time at the extreme west and east longitude passing through a country is more than 1 or 2 hours, more than one standard time zones are considered in a country. So children, in India, already you have come to know that Mumbai and Kolkata are located within India but in different longitudes, and their local time differ by 1 hour. And Mumbai, it is in the extreme west in our country, and Kolkata, it is in the east, in the eastern part of our country. So time difference between Kolkata and Mumbai is 1 hour. So if the time difference is less than 1 or 2 hours, mainly 2 hours, at that time only one standard time is there for that particular country. That's why India has a particular one standard time. So children, what is standard time? That the local time at the longitude passing through the middle of a country is generally considered as the standard time of that country. Children, here also I will discuss about India's standard time.